AI and digital marketing. What are the top trends to watch for in 2024? In this video, this is Luca Papa, founder of Digital Coach, and I will explain you why AI is the perfect ally for your digital marketing. How can AI leverage its power and help you to scale up your content online? First of all, AI cannot bring you customers, cannot bring you sales. So the real channel, the real tool that brings you sales is digital marketing. But what happens with the combination between AI and digital marketing? That the AI is the powerful technology that can empower all your marketing online, who is responsible to bring you new customers, new sales, and revenues. So that's the game. Now, what are the benefits of applying AI to all your digital marketing activities? First of all, the first benefit is quality. The average quality of everything you do in your marketing online is going to be higher once you start to use AI. Secondly, second opportunity is the fact that AI helps you speed up everything you're doing online. So speed is the second weapon with AI. Imagine, for example, in the past you had to create a blog post for your SEO activity on your website. It might take you 5-7 hours at least. Now you can do the same blog post in half an hour, so 1/10 the time that you were required before. Third advantage is cost. In your previous experience, if you wanted to have a first-class online marketing, you needed to hire an agency for social media, an agency for SEO, an agency to build your website, an agency to manage your advertising, and so on. So different agencies or different consultants or different employees to be paid. Now with AI, what you can do is that you can learn and implement processes, procedures on how to do all those things, and using AI you can reduce the cost in external agency, because one person in part-time is enough to manage all your marketing online if you know how to use properly AI and if you have the right experts driving this process. And the last advantage is scalability. Scalability means that if you want to have a very effective social media activity, you need to post at least 3 times a day on a social like Instagram, TikTok, and so on. So what's going to happen with AI? That you can scale up the quantity of the content that you can produce for your social media. So if you need to have 3 posts a day, that means an average of 90-100 posts in a month, you need to have a very fast system, a very scalable system to for your creativity, for your image generation, for your copy generation, for your visual generation. And AI is the perfect ally in this challenge. Now let's move to the main trends and their impact on your marketing for 2024. The first 10 trends I want to highlight is the trends of AI chatbots. AI is very powerful to manage, for example, right now, your website chat. So now you probably use a chatbot for your website, but if you use a chatbot for your website, you probably use a real operator, humans operating, but they are a huge cost, a fixed cost. The second alternatives that you can have is managing everything with chatbots, additional chatbots. But the problem is that they are, I would say, stupid. Stupid, I mean that they don't know the answers. You have to program them in each question that you can receive. They have the already decided answer. So if somebody is asking how much does the product cost, you have to program the answer for that specific product. But you have to program everything, every response, every answer. While with AI, what happens is that you provide AI just with a bunch of information about your company, and AI will do everything alone. So we'll create all the thousands of possible answers automatically. So that's why it's a game changer, AI in the chatbot world. The second big trend is AI automation. That means that in your company you want to automate as many tasks as possible to improve productivity and reduce cost. What happens with AI is that AI is a powerful tool to automate some tasks. For example, we are already using AI in our marketing automation suite to generate automatic reports sent to all our digital sales representatives on their performance. So automatically we are sending them their performance about who was the best performer of the day, who was the best performer of the week, who was the person who had the highest conversation time today, and so on. So you can automate things like reports. You can automate also obviously repetitive task in your marketing online, repetitive task in your e-commerce management. So automation. Let's move to AI for personalization, for customization. Let's suppose you wanna customize a specific content or service for one of your customers. For example, you are a nutritionist. So you might, with AI, you could, for example, ask a few questions to your visitors, and after receiving the answer to those questions, you can provide all those answers to an AI system, and the AI system might provide a diet to that customer automatically without you doing nothing. So this is amazing. Then AI for sales. At the moment right now, for example, we are already in Digital Coach, we're already using an AI digital sales coach who is coaching our new sales representatives in cold calls and handling objections. They are talking with him, and he's a coach. He's instructed to follow our methodology, our sales process, and when we have a new hire, he has to get trained by him. So this is just an example of application. But we are planning next year, and probably every company in the future will have also a system through which if you call the company telephone number, an AI assistant might answer, and that AI sales assistant might be trained to give all the answer the customer is looking for. So this is something that very close to sales. Think for a moment about e-commerce. In e-commerce, you cannot provide a service where humans answer all the questions for customers. But if you provide the right information to an AI system, you might imagine a future where in your e-commerce you can let people call your e-commerce, or your e-commerce can have a call back to your customers, and an AI speaking assistant is going to talk with your customers and to move the sale forward. So that means to close the deal with him on the phone. Let's consider the next trend, and this is AI for video marketing. In 2024, we will watch amazing enhancements in the video production world made with AI. So what I mean is that even Google is working on a project that is called Lumiere. It's an amazing project where you will be able just to prompt a few prompts in a system like Google system or other software, and you will have very realistic videos produced at the moment for you to be used in your marketing campaigns, in your promotional, to generate, for example, a promotional video, a social media video. We already are using those kind of tools to produce videos. At the moment, they are still not amazing, the results, because they are still using stock videos that are edited and cut it together and to create a final video. But what happens is that in 2024 we will be able to generate videos from scratch without starting from an already existing stock video. Then we have AI for e-commerce recommendations. What I mean with this? I mean that imagine an e-commerce where you want to maximize the value of each click and of each visitor on your website. A visitor enter your website, is buying, for example, a printer, and you want to maximize the value of that visit, so you can recommend to that customer, for example, you can recommend a toner, okay, if you want to buy the right toner for that printer. So that's why this is another application for e-commerce, but in e-commerce we will have a look at the many different applications through AI, because AI can automatically help your online sales process. Then let's move to AI for social media management. AI is already an extraordinary technology for social media content creation. If you need to create text content, visual content, or video content, AI is already the best solution you can find on the market. But the next step is social media management. So what I mean with that? Posting and answering to user comments. In posting, AI will improve its ability to post automatically all the content produced by AI. In management, AI will provide you with the right AI chatbot able to answer automatically to comments, customer requests, leads, and so on. So if you want more information on how you can use AI for your business and how you can leverage AI for your activity, what you can do is that you ask her, as here in the link below, informations, and you can have a free one-to-one consultation. You can also have the opportunity to look for some useful resources, right? Webinar, like ebooks and so on, that you will find here. Download. You can download everything, and at the end you can also ask us a free one-to-one consultation, where we will be happy to help you understand how AI can radically change the game for your business. Bye.